I mean, the actual style framing, it's something that I've kind of done before, but obviously I do it and then go straight into the video rather than send it off. So it was a bit like I was trying to figure out how I would go about the video. It's normally I do it for myself. So I do it to sort of get an idea before I edit, because I've not really gone through the sort of proper professional video like editing motion graphics pipelines where you create storyboards. But I did quite enjoy it because I did it in mind with like it as it's one video, but it kind of looked like three different styles when I actually like looked back on it.
Yeah.
So I could kind of see a whole video with each of those different styles throughout the whole thing. So it kind of there's room for improvement and like experimenting there, which I think that's something that I quite like about it.
I actually think you could like use all of those styles like at once. I know it sounds a bit chaotic maybe, but
no, that's really what I was aiming to do in the first place. So I'm fine like going either way. If they like one style, I can do one style. If they like all the styles, then I can do a video with each one.
Do you know what? I actually thought this was in the photo, and I thought you just added that. But like then I saw the raw video, and I saw that you'd added these yellow lines.
Yeah,
you did. Yeah.
No, that was I didn't think they would show up very well because in the preview on After Effects they were quite like vague. But obviously the video it'll be a little bit vaguer. But I think I don't know, it just looked amazing. When I put it on, I could sort of see the like yellow line. I added the yellow lines as well.
Yeah.
Just because I don't know, I was messing around. I think the logo actually was a sort of big inspiration for a lot of the sort of graphics. Just the lines, I could do a lot with the yellow lines really. Like as it's part of their brand, it'd be nice to get that in the video. That's kind of my way of thinking.
Because that's the original shot there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that side by side, you can just see that the brand's going somewhere. They're like, I don't know. Yeah, like, how did you get the idea to put that above the? How did you get the idea to do that?
It was more just like experimentation, because what I was going to do is sort of like the Aquila engineering stuff. So, you know, where we had the 3D tracking of the text.
Yeah.
So I tracked the the text to the shot, but I don't know, it was a bit. I think it was the way it was
text in like an angle.
Yeah. But I think because it's obviously a handheld camera, it looks a bit like chaotic a little. So I thought maybe just adding texturing, just little flares, little eye-catching things to the shot with the text in the forefront would actually be a little bit better. And I wanted to get the yellow in there because obviously that's that's like the most prominent.
No, it's
color.
Brilliant. It just gives such confidence when you look at that, because it's the same brand color, and I like one palette as well. Like I like one color. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. But I think it was the sort of grids that you can see. Like I've added the grids in a lot of the shots as well. I think it just makes it. I mean, it's an industrial company. It's technical. I have a hell of a lot of grid textures in my in my.
You've been waiting to use them.
Yeah, exactly.
No, honestly,
just like in the right positions, grids just add. I don't know. It's the little layers just add something extra.
Yeah, I love the industries, and I love that. I don't know. I suppose like all the materials or something going into one to create something. I don't know what the idea was behind that, but
that was kind of what it was. It was sort of all these different industries they cater to, all in one brand. Really, that was the thing. I didn't realize if it looked too. The only thing I thought about it was if it was too playful, but. Like in comparison, like contrasting to the actual style frames, it's all quite sort of technical graphics, but obviously that's something I can play around with. I just thought I needed like a smooth motion just to sort of go against the ones they had already, which were quite static, like zoom ins and things like that. I think it was nice to play around with their little logo piece as well.
It was something that we just wanted to show the brands, and you've just put that together in a few hours. So. It's quite crazy.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, logo animations, I do little animations in my free time anyway, just because I see it on like Instagram and LinkedIn of these just little branding animations that people do. I just think it's so interesting how people can turn just a static logo mark and a word into something that's just, it's fun to watch, really. Like,
Yeah.
just seeing the little pieces and elements move in the way they do.